What if I told you the universe doesn't actually care about you, not in the way we've been taught to believe, but that's the secret to unlocking limitless power? Think about it. Most people spend their entire lives waiting for signs, waiting for the perfect moment, waiting for external forces to magically change their circumstances. But here's the truth. Neuroscience has revealed something extraordinary. You are the architect of your reality, and the universe is simply the canvas waiting for your instructions. Have you ever felt like life is just happening to you? Like you're a passenger on a ride you never signed up for? Well, you're not alone. Billions of people wake up every morning stuck in the same cycle, hoping that something outside themselves will magically change their circumstances. But here's the shocking truth. The universe isn't waiting to hand you anything. It's waiting for you to take the reins. And guess what? The latest findings in neuroscience prove you have far more control than you ever imagined. Your brain isn't just a passive observer of reality. It's a powerful creator. Every thought, every emotion, every decision you make shapes your reality on a physical and energetic level. In this video, we're not just talking about ideas. We're flipping everything you thought you knew about manifestation on its head. This isn't about wishful thinking or cosmic coincidences. This is about understanding how your brain's internal wiring holds the key to transforming your life. I'm going to share a powerful morning ritual inspired by renowned neuroscientist Dr. James Doty that reprograms your mind for success and alignment. So if you're ready to go beyond the surface and truly take control, keep watching. Welcome back to Power of Thought. This channel is your space for uncovering the science and strategies behind transforming your reality. If you've ever felt stuck, like life was happening to you instead of through you, this is your wake-up call. The truth is, manifestation isn't some mystical, magical process. It's rooted in how your brain functions every single day. Today, we're diving deep into the neuroscience of manifestation. What does it really mean? How can understanding your brain's wiring change your approach to life? And most importantly, how can you implement a simple, effective morning ritual to unlock your full potential? By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps and a fresh perspective that empowers you to stop waiting and start creating. If you're ready to transform your life, hit that like button and subscribe to Power of Thought for more content that merges science and spirituality into practical tools for growth. Let's get started. Imagine your brain as the most sophisticated manifestation machine ever created, a quantum computer running constantly in the background. Most people think manifestation is mystical, but neuroscience reveals it's deeply biological. Dr. James Doty explains that we're always manifesting, but here's the catch. Most of us are doing it unconsciously. It's like being on a ship without a captain, letting random currents dictate the journey. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs literally reshape your brain through neuroplasticity, creating filters that define how you perceive the world. Think about it. Every time you think a thought or experience an emotion, you're sending signals that shape the very structure of your brain. When you repeatedly think certain thoughts, you carve highways in your brain. These neural pathways become your default mode. So if you think in terms of limitations, that's the reality you'll keep seeing. Conversely, if you focus on possibilities and abundance, your brain starts to highlight opportunities in the world around you. Neuroscience calls this the reticular activating system, or RAS. It's like the brain's internal search engine. When you set clear intentions, your RAS begins to filter reality in a way that aligns with those intentions. You're programming your mind to see the possibilities you might have otherwise missed. Let's explore the two forces shaping your life, fear and love. This isn't just spiritual jargon. It's backed by hardcore neuroscience. When you operate from fear, your amygdala, the brain's alarm system, kicks into overdrive. Stress hormones like cortisol flood your system, narrowing your focus and keeping you stuck in survival mode. It's like trying to see the world through a pinhole. You become hyper-focused on dangers and limitations, unable to see the bigger picture. But love activates the prefrontal cortex, the brain's center of creativity and expansive thinking. It's like switching to a wide-angle lens, where possibilities become endless. Neuroscience shows that choosing love reduces stress hormones and boosts feel-good neurotransmitters like oxytocin and dopamine, opening your brain to infinite potential. You're no longer reacting to life. You're designing it. Here's what's fascinating. This isn't about suppressing fear. Fear serves a purpose. It's your brain's way of protecting you from harm. The key is to acknowledge it, understand its message, and consciously choose a response that aligns with your higher goals. Each moment becomes an opportunity to shift from contraction to expansion, from survival to creation. Now let me share Dr. Doty's revolutionary morning ritual that rewires your brain for manifestation. This isn't just a collection of wellness trends. It's a meticulously designed protocol grounded in neuroscience. 1. Conscious breathing. Begin with 5 to 10 minutes of intentional breathing. This isn't just relaxation. It's a neurological reset. Deep breathing stimulates the vagus nerve, calming your nervous system and shifting you into a state of heightened awareness and creativity. Imagine your brain as a computer running multiple programs. Conscious breathing is like hitting the reset button, clearing away stress, and bringing you fully into the present moment. 2. Intention setting. This isn't about making a to-do list. Instead, it's about creating a neurological blueprint. Visualize your goals vividly, as if they're already achieved. Engage all your senses. Feel the emotions of success and fulfillment. This activates your RAS, aligning your brain to recognize opportunities that support your intentions. It's like setting the GPS for your day. Your brain starts to focus on the paths that lead to your destination. 3. Gratitude practice. End with a few minutes of gratitude. Think of 3 things you're genuinely grateful for. Gratitude changes your brain's chemistry, boosting serotonin levels and reinforcing positive neural pathways. Over time, this practice trains your brain to focus on abundance rather than lack, creating a positive feedback loop that enhances your ability to manifest. Manifestation isn't magic, it's mastering the art of rewiring your brain. Start tomorrow morning with this ritual and watch your life transform. Remember, the power lies within you to design your reality, one thought and one action at a time. What's one intention you're setting for yourself today? And don't forget to subscribe to Power of Thought for more neuroscience-backed manifestation techniques. Until next time, remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Manifest your magic.